Sorry. Yeah, so if both signals are on, then the output's on. That's what a tri-state buffer is. And if you want a bus buffer, then also, by the way, if you look, the NOT gate is basically is a buffer with the circle at the end. If you did not know that. So instead of having why did I place buffers? I'm supposed to have tri-state buffers. Buffers are basically like one-way wires. I want 4 tri-state buffers, or 3-state buffers as it calls it. So you could have all four of these enable signals connected. To each other. So now all 4 of the enable signals are connected. So you could have like the enable thing here, the 4 inputs here, 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 and here, and the 4 output signals here, 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 and here. That would be a bus buffer. So now we got this simple bus buffer. Ow, my finger. Playing with chalk playing with chalk earlier, and I grinded my finger on the concrete. Kinda hurts now. So now I have this bus buffer right here. That smells horrible, actually, what I sprayed at. No, my foot's so wet. Anyways, I'm chewing gum, by the way. I should not ruin that. So if you want to make an ALU buffer, basically what it is it's three bus buffers combined. The reason why you would want this is it's basically a multiplexer. If you don't want to know what a multiplexer is, I'll show you. This thing has them. Actually, yeah, it's a multiplexer. This is the multiplexer. But instead of 1-bit inputs, there's 4-bit inputs. As you can see, there's only 1-bit inputs. And these are the select signals. Control of them. That's the out signal. Let's say I set those 2 on. You can select which one you wanted. Like this. See? So it was like this. You can have this. This. So basically a 4-bit a multiplexer that takes 4-bit inputs and it selects between 3 things. Here's how you make that. I'm just gonna use a 3-input OR gate. If you don't have the premium version one to make 3 input OR gates, we can just make if we input OR gate like this. So you can have input 1, input 2, input 3, output 1. So I'm just going to use 3 input OR gates. And you could have your 4-bit output here. However, what if you want more than 3 registers? This ALU buffer is meant for the version 2 of the assembly, which is going to be 3 registers. What if you wanted more than 3? Then you'd have to add like an output enable signal, let's say. I'll show you how it works when I do the second version and what it does. But basically, yeah, I just realized I could use a 3 input OR gate for this too. Yep, so. And you can connect all of, so you can like have A8, A4, A2, A1, and then AE. And the same for this is going to be B and C. You set up those using this setup thing to make an IC. And you can have D8, D4, D2, D1, and DE. DE, okay, DE. I don't know why it's D. I don't know. Well, OE if you want. I don't really know why it's D. That's how you make the ALU buffer. Which, as you can see in this assembly v2, you use that first version of the ALU buffer to select between 3 things to go into the ALU. It has 2 rows for the 2 inputs and 3 columns for the 3 registers. And that. Anyways, that's that's all the buffers. Now, lastly, the last thing I want to tell you about is the bus. A bus is basically it's basically just a little port. You can have something going in it, a wire going in it as an input, or a wire going into it as an output. So that's for the buses, and the way I did this was pretty simple. But it's not. I'm not talking about a 4-bit register. I'm talking about 4-bit bus that I made. This is not actually buses here. I made my own. Where'd it go? I want to shrink myself down. What's the middle at? Must be somewhere here. There's nothing here. I'm gonna have to go into. It. All the way up here. Gonna go into this randomly. Scroll down over here. see. I'm gonna get the 4-bit West, explore inside it. So it's really high up. What? Oh, I was zoomed out this whole time. Zoomed in this whole time. Yeah, this is the way I made the bus. The 4-bit bus. I put a node there and a node there, connected them. Node there, connected them, and that's how I made the 4-bit bus. A node is this. Node, let me just. I made myself big again using magic, totally magic. Anyways, yep, that's the bus and the bus buffers. Next logic learners, I'm pretty sure it's logic learner 6, will be about the 7-segment displays and the 14-segment displays and the BCD to 7-segment displays. Anyways, goodbye. And instead of giving you a cookie, I'm gonna give you something else. Here's your bean. Oh, and also, if you're from my class and you're watching this, here's your Jason. Bye.